Hello guys, welcome to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a product called Range Hood that we are currently reviewing. When it comes to range hoods, their purpose is to absorb and expel the smoke and odors generated while cooking, effectively keeping our kitchens fresh. While we may have exhaust fans in our kitchens, modern technology has introduced automatic features in these range hoods, making them highly useful. So friends, the type we are looking at today is the wall mount type. This type of range hood is commonly used in Western kitchens. Well, now before purchasing a range hood, it's essential to consider the size that suits your kitchen. You need to assess the dimensions of your kitchen, including its length and breadth. In United States and every Western countries, you can find range hoods available in two main sizes, 30 inches and 36 inches. When choosing a range hood size, two crucial factors need to be considered. Firstly, you must determine the square footage of your kitchen by measuring its length and breadth. Secondly, you need to count the number of burners on your gas stove to select the appropriate size of the range hood. If your kitchen size is below 200 square feet and you are using 2 burners, then you can use range hood size of 30 inches. If you have a kitchen size below 200 square feet and you are using 3 or 4 burners, then you can use range hood size of 36 inches. If your kitchen size is above 200 square feet and you have 2, 3 or 4 burners, then you can use 36 inch size range hood. Which brand of range hood is the best? What are the important factors to be considered before purchasing a good range hood? How can we make the best buying decision? Where should we purchase the product? We have gathered customer reviews and ratings from the online market to provide you with a concise buying decision. Let's now explore the top 10 most selling range hood brands in United States. From this list, we will select the top 4 brands to help you make the best buying decision. We have identified certain brands that have received negative ratings from customers. We will discuss the reasons behind avoiding these brands. When looking at the Tie Easy brand, customers have reported as issues with the push button. The Brown Newton brand makes so much of noise. Talking about the Z-Line brand, the customer is not satisfied. Gasland Chef brand may have motor issues. The body material of the Fire Gas brand is not good. In Everkitch brand, the suction power is not satisfied. So we will avoid these 6 brands based on the reasons provided by customers. Let's see the top 4 brands. The first one is IKTCH, second one is Comfee, third one is COSMO, and the fourth one is CIARRA. Now let's talk about the filter size and suction power. IKTCH has 30 and 36 inches with 900 CFM. Comfee has 30 and 36 inches with 450 CFM, COSMO has 30 and 36 inches with 380 CFM, and CIARRA has 30 and 36 inches with 450 CFM. Now let's talk about the filter type. IKTCH has baffle filter, Comfee has 5-layer aluminum filter, COSMO has arc flow permanent filter, CIARRA has recirculating filter. Now let's talk about the control panel of these range hood brands. IKTCH and Comfee brand both have gesture sensing and touch controls. COSMO and CIARRA both have soft touch control. Now let's talk about the speed level of these range hood brands. So IKTCH has 4 speeds and rest of the brands Comfee, COSMO and CIARRA, they have 3 speeds. Now let's talk about the service support of these brands. IKTCH and Comfee, they both have excellent service support. COSMO and CIARRA, they both have good service support. Talking about the special features of these brands, IKTCH has excellent special features. Comfee and COSMO, they both have good special features. CIARRA has excellent special features. Now let's talk about the warranty. So IKTCH brand offers 1 year complete warranty, 5 years switch control and LED warranty, 12 years motor warranty. Comfee offers 1 year warranty, COSMO offers 3-year warranty and CIARRA offers 2 years warranty. Now let's see some common things in these brands. They have auto clean technology and timer control. They have ducted or ductless convertible option. They are made of alloy steel and stainless steel material. They have oil collector, cooling fan as well as LED lights. They have noise levels of 40 decibels to 71 decibels. In these brands, carbon filter is not included, so you need to purchase it separately. Now let's see the customer ratings of these products. Talking about the IKTCH brand, it has 4.5 star rating. Comfee has 4-star rating, COSMO brand has 4-star rating and CIARRA range hood brand has 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.